Hi and welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. My name is Erin, and on my videos I show you how to create DIY bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a DIY non-greasy body butter. This body butter will not only moisturize the skin, but it will exfoliate and soothe irritated skin too. So let's go ahead and get started. To begin with, I've weighed out some mango butter. Mango butter is very moisturizing for the skin, and it contains vitamins like vitamin A and vitamin C. Next, I'm adding some kapuka butter. This is a natural emollient. It is fast absorbing as far as butters are concerned. It will help to soften the skin and protect the skin from any sun damage. Now that I have my butters in my beaker, I'm going to be adding some grapeseed oil. This is a very lightweight, fast-absorbing oil, which is great for moisturizing the skin, as well as helping to really lighten and tighten the pores of the skin. Once I've added the grapeseed oil, I'm covering my beaker and then placing this in my double boiler. I want to make sure that all the ingredients are nicely melted. So now that the butters have completely melted, I'll be adding some isopropyl myrostate, or also known as IPM. This is an emollient. It will quickly absorb into the skin, and it will help to lessen the greasiness of this body butter. Kaolin clay is what I'm adding now. This I chose to use because it will help to absorb any excess oils from the butters and oils that I'm using. It will also help to remove any impurities from the skin, and it will give this body butter a nice overall feel to it. After adding the clay, it's important to go ahead and stir everything together like I'm doing here, and the reason for that is it will help to dissolve the clay particles into the rest of the ingredients, making it nice and smooth. You won't have any chunks in your body butter. Now that I'm done stirring all the ingredients, I've covered my beaker and I'm placing this in the refrigerator for about an hour. This will allow it to cool down much faster, and it will also help to improve the overall texture of this body butter. After being in the refrigerator for an hour, it's now time to go ahead and add some scent to my body butter, and I am choosing to use some sandalwood essential oil. So now I'm going to go ahead and add some arrowroot powder. This will help to give the body butter a drier feel. It also will help to absorb any of the excess oil or greasiness that are coming from some of the ingredients. It's now time for me to go ahead and stir again after adding that arrowroot powder and my essential oil. I just want to make sure that I've incorporated all the ingredients very nicely so that I end up with a really lovely finished product. I've gone ahead and covered my beaker again, and that is because I'll be placing this back in the refrigerator for about another hour to allow it to completely cool before I go ahead and put it into my container. All the ingredients now have completely cooled down to where I can go ahead and put this into my container here. If you wished, at this point, you can go ahead and whip it and make a whipped body butter. I know that's really popular, but for me, I find it easier just not to. Here's a quick look of what the body butter looks like when applied to the skin. So I've taken just a little bit of the body butter and gently rubbed it into my arm. Now I will show you here with as I touch my finger onto my skin, there is no greasy residue. For the body butter that I made today, here is the formula along with any substitutions that I would recommend. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.